Good morning to one and all. My dear children, yesterday we have started with the civics chapter, Our Life in Society, chapter number 1. In that we have finished 1.1, that is, why did man feel the need for society? 1.2, the social nature of man. Today we are going to study about our development. What do we need? How can we develop ourselves? Our development. Every person is born with some qualities and capabilities. Every person is born, they have some quality, they have some capability, but they are dormant, they are different. All of them are having different qualities, different capabilities, but they are dormant, it is said. They develop in a society. Everything is formed in a society. We use a language to communicate with one another. We use some language while talking with each other. But we cannot do so at birth. That means when we are born, do we talk with anyone? No. We learn language gradually. That means when we come on this earth, we start talking with each other. Our first language is the one that is spoken at home. Which is the first language which we speak? That is, which we speak at home. What your parents speak. That is the first language. If our neighbors speak different languages, we pick up those too. If our neighbors are speaking different languages, even we try to pick up those languages from them. We start talking with them those languages. Schools also provide opportunities. School also give us some opportunities to learn different languages. In school we learn English, Hindi, Marathi. If there is a French language, when that language is taught to them. We also have the capacity to think independently. Now we all have a capacity to think of our own. Independently means your own. No one can think for you. You think for your own self. For example, when all the students in a class are given the same topic for an essay, why is it that no two essays are the same? Now in a class, if the teacher gives you an essay, write about yourself or your family or something else, any one essay about yourself, your family or your brother or your sister, that means will it be the same? No, because you all have different qualities in yourself. You are not the same. What you are thinking, others are not thinking. What you want to be when you grow up, you are writing that. The others are writing different. Why is it that so two essays are not same? Because the thought process in each is different. That means each and everyone is thinking some different process in their mind. Society helps in the development of our emotional capabilities and power to think. Now society is helping in what? In the development of your emotional, from your inner side, the capabilities and the power to think. You have your own power to think, your own emotional thinkings, your capabilities. It also provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. It is also providing the opportunity for what? For your expressions, for your feelings, for your thinking. That means what you think, others don't think. You have your own feelings, you have your own expressions, your own thoughts. The development of our artistic and other talents also takes place in society. Now the development of our artistic, our thinking, our other things what we have, your talents which are hidden in yourself, is also taking place in the society. Singers, musicians, artists, scientists, adventurers, social workers can all develop their qualities further because of the backing and the encouragement of society. Now over here there are singers. There are musicians, there are artists, there are scientists, adventurers, social workers. They all develop their own qualities because they have the backing of someone, their parents, and the encouragement of society. That means from your house. They're encouraging you. My dear child, you do this, you do that. Go for engineering. We'll help you out. This encouragement is very important. That means someone or the other is encouraging you for doing the best. So my dear children, today we have learned for our society. Tomorrow we'll go for what is meant by society. Today, that is, I told you, we learned about our development. Tomorrow we'll go for what is society. We go through the chapter. Yesterday also I did not give you notes. Today also I'll not give you notes. I'll give you tomorrow when I finish the chapter as well as the worksheet. So my dear children, go through the chapter, read it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a great day.